Hello everybody, so in this video we will be looking at the LeetCode problem 92, that is reverse linked list 2. So it is a medium level problem. So the problem statement says that we are given with the head of a single linked list and we are also given two integers, that is left, and we are also given right. So and left is also less than or equal to right, and we have to reverse the node of the list from position left to position right and return the reverse linked list. So for the first test case, such as like we are given the linked list as 1 2 3 4 5 and left is 2, so this is my left position where my cursor is pointing, and this is my position, this is the right, that is 4. Now we have to reverse the values from 2 to 4, that is 2 3 4 will be reversed and my linked list will be 1 4 3 2 5. So how do we do this problem? Before going into this problem, you should know how to reverse the linked list. So this is my left point and this is my right point, and I have to reverse this portion of the linked list only. So what I'll do, I'll just move till here and I have to go till here. So somehow I'll create some pointers who will just keep track of all this, and in the end, as when I reverse the linked list, I made this point, this as head and this point to null. In this case, what I'll do, I'll make this node, my head node, point to this node, and my this node, the left from which it start, point to this node. That is all. And I'll also have to reverse these links, that is this point to this and this node point to this. That is what I have to do. So how will I do that? First of all, what I'll do, if I create this linked list again, so first of all what I will do is I'll do something like this is my head. I will do something like I'll take a current pointer, a previous pointer which will be pointing to null, and a current pointer which will be at head. So I'll move my current pointer till my left is greater than 1. My current goes here, and before moving the current pointer to the next node, I will make my previous equals to current. So now my previous is not null, it is here, and my current is not here, it is here. And since left is 2, and I'll also do a left minus minus and right minus minus. Why I am doing a right minus minus is because I have reached this position, node 2, and after that I have to go till this position only, so I also have to do a right minus minus. So now I have this previous current, and now what I will do, since I have to change these links, I will make a node connect which will point here, and also a node end, this will point to my current. And now I will use the concept of reversing a linked list. Okay, I will just reverse a linked list, that we simply do, I'll create a node temp which will point to current next, then my previous will come to current, and my current will be here, and I also do a right minus minus till my right is greater than 0. Then in the next iteration, temp will go here, previous will come here, and current will go here. And in the next iteration, my temp will go here, my previous will come here, and my current will be here. And now I'll break out of the loop, because at this position my right was 3, here it was 2, here it was 1, and now it is 0. So I break out of the loop. Now I have this connect. Let me just erase it a bit so it becomes a bit clear. So this is what I have at the moment, right? So I have this connect, and here I have end. So what I'll do is simply I'll just make connect next to the previous, which will make my linked list something like this: 1 points to 4, 4 points to 5, and when I am doing this reversing, I am also reversing these links. So this is pointing here, 3 is pointing here, and 4 is pointing here, not at the 5. Okay, so I'll just get rid of this 5 from my list at the moment. Okay, and now 1 is pointing to 4, 4 is pointing to 3, 3 is pointing to 2, and 2 is again pointing to 1. So what we will do, we will break this link, that is 2's link, we have it as end, and my current is here. So what I will do, I will make my end is pointing to current. and here we will reverse the linked list for this portion 2 3 4. Here we have 4 3 2. Now I'll just code this. So I'll just first of all change these variables to L and R, so I don't have to type much. Now first I'll take a node previous which will point to null, and a list node star current which will be pointing to head. And now while my L is greater than 1, what I will do, my previous will be equal to current, my current goes current next, L minus minus, and R minus minus. After that I will take a node connect which will be add my previous, and a list node and which will be pointing to current, right? Now after that what I'll do, I'll also make a list node star temp. Now while my R is greater than 0, first of all my temp will be equal to current next, then my previous, this is simply reversing a linked list, my previous equals to current equals to temp. Here what I'll do, current next equals to previous, because I have to reverse the links to, and R minus minus. So now I'll check if I have a node called connect, if it's null. If it is not null, I'll do connect next equals to previous, and if it is null then I'll do head equals to previous, and in the end I'll just return my head. So now let me just run the code. Okay, there's a typo, the L will be capital, and there is another typo, it is double R and double R. After removing the typo, I have forgotten something, and that was this portion, this little bit of portion, that is I have to do my endpoint to my current. So if I'll just do that, my end next will be equal to current. Now if I run this, okay, it is running fine, let me submit. So as you can see, the solution is accepted. So thank you for watching the video, and make sure to hit that subscribe button.